Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link, so if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis several times last week, so that is where the orange line and green line here are coming into play. And those are going to be the two focal points because they are, definitely still the two main levels. But the key dynamic here is that just for simplicity's sake and not, risking confusion because there's annotations everywhere you look, I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this level of support downwards here to the newest area of support where it bounced from today at 53 cents. The dynamic there, though, is to ask yourself, well, what direction was the support? What direction did it need to be adjusted? And when support levels need to be adjusted lower, that's a sign of bearishness. Now, on the flip side, if you're adjusting levels of support higher, that's definitely a good situation. But here, because the price once again put in new lows, and now to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did a great job of, fighting and being strong there at 53 cents. But that's still lower than where, they were being strong and fighting up there at that level from Friday. So 53 cents, key level of support now going forward for no other reason other than, like I said, that's just simply where the price stopped bleeding on a couple different situations there. But the other level that, nothing new to update is just this overarching trend line right there. I put that into play last week, and you can see that once again, it's in full control of the chart. In fact, today the price didn't even come close to doing battle with it or testing it. So continue to watch that going forward. If you're not a fan of trend lines and you like to use moving averages more, then you can see that the purple line there, the 50-period moving average, is basically shadowing and mimicking that trend line right there. So that's a good example of kind of personal preference. But the point here being that those two levels really illustrate and summarize the fact that this is in a very bearish movement right now, and it remains in a very bearish movement as long as the price is down below those couple levels. So we'll see what happens with it, but yeah, definitely not a great way to start the week. Good news is still it's just the week is young, still 4 days left. So we'll see if the price can try to get things consolidated out or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.